Spofec, a Novitec Group company, has rolled out another styling package for the electric Rolls-Royce Spectre Black Badge. The 659 horsepower, 650 horsepower/485 kilowatts powertrain was left alone this time around, because the emphasis was made on flair and originality. An understated front spoiler with integrated LED position lights was added to the front end, not just adding a pinch of character but also increasing downforce. In turn, the rear end got a carbon fiber diffuser and a spoiler lip, while the sides ended up with fairly aggressive-looking sill extensions. For the wheels, the owner's choice fell on 24-inch Vossen Forged SP4 rims sporting 17 pairs of spokes. Their thin and elegant design looks borderline aristocratic, but they still support the weight of the 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, electric car without issue. A 35mm, 1.4-inch, drop in suspension height rounds off the look. Those who know high-profile aftermarket specialists like Spofec will also know that they can completely retrim the interior of the ultra-luxury coupe to suit their clients' exacting taste and preferences. There's only one sample photo of the cabin in the gallery above, but that's simply because there are too many customization opportunities to showcase.